The Groking Wholeness website and YouTube channels are portals for information and tools about conscious evolution of wholeness. We chose the name Grok because grokking something is to know it, not superficially, but profoundly and experientially, far beyond just being aware of it through intellect, by emotional attachment or by an intuitive understanding, but, rather, by a complete unity of knowing that can only be obtained by an epiphany gained through direct experience. Humanity's journey of wholeness is a journey towards achieving a state of complete integration and harmony within oneself and within their larger world. It involves the unification of various aspects of one's life, body, mind, consciousness and spirit, to create a balanced and holistic existence not only within oneself but with others and in the larger environment where they live, one's ecosystem. The transformative effect of changing oneself is a prerequisite to altering one's surroundings or society in a positive way because personal growth creates the foundation for the broader impact. There are three major aspects of wholeness. 1. Wholeness with our body and our minds. 2. Wholeness with our consciousness, our higher self, and with the oneness of being. 3. Wholeness with our home, our local ecosystem, and with our global environment. Humanity is a part of Earth's global ecosystem, which includes the entire environment and community of living organisms, plants, animals, and microbes, interacting with their local physical environment, including non-living elements like soil, water, and air. Since life evolved on Earth eons ago, these interactions have always operated in harmony and balance as a holistic system sharing energy and nutrients and their flow between all the different aspects making up the global ecosystem. The path to sustainability requires that humanity must live in harmony with our local and global external environment, lest we destroy ourselves and all other creatures with which we share this Earth. Our ancestors evolved in this environment over the millennia. We didn't drop in here from somewhere else. For most of humanity's time on Earth, we lived in harmony with the environment that sustained us. Unfortunately, since the start of the Industrial Revolution and with the large increase in Earth's human population, its newly acquired powerful technologies as well as its age-old thirst for power and control, humanity has upset the balance that nature evolved that has kept it healthy and thriving over all previous eons of its existence. Humanity is now at the point where this imbalance is threatening not only its survival, but also that of most of the living creatures on the planet. Our consciousness is how we know, experience, and act in the external world, through our perceptual senses, sight, sound, touch, etc., and, internally, within ourselves, through our bodily sensations, thoughts, feelings, and intuitive insights. So, if we want to understand the world and ourselves, we better understand our consciousness both individually and collectively. Our subjective consciousness creates an internal model of the world we live in. Every thought, every feeling, and everything we experience in life is judged and evaluated against our internal models. The external representations from these models are not the way the world actually is, but, rather, they are how we perceive our experience in it to be. Our projections and our interpretations are usually based on prior experience, habits formed long ago and often in childhood, from societal norms and from conditioning by authority figures early in our lives, parents, teachers, religious figures, politicians, etc. Many of these were formed before we had developed the ability to judge them as a benefit or a liability. Given the rapid pace of change we all now experience in the world, old and fixed beliefs are not only inappropriate and outdated but can also be destructive as well. If we want to change ourselves and the world to a more harmonious, peaceful, loving, just and sustainable whole, we must each first start with an examination of our conditioning and our long-held beliefs and discover our true potential. If we are really open-minded and honest with ourselves and do this objectively, we will find that this effort will greatly expand our own view and that of the world. It will enable us to better understand how our own biases and judgments creep into our thoughts, intentions, and actions in all aspects of our lives. We then will be in a much better position to use our perceptions and interpretations with fresh and expanded viewpoints, not only individually, but from a societal point of view as well. This is the goal of the Groking Wholeness website and its associated social media channels. Specifically, it is to advocate for improvements of individual and collective well-being and transformation to higher states of consciousness and awareness. Its methods of achieving this goal is by promoting information, inspiration, techniques, and practical skills that advance humanity's inherent potential. We offer these with the hope of accelerating humanity's journey of wholeness. If many of us can join together and accomplish this goal, we will catalyze a sustainable and equitable future, not just for all humanity, but all life on our beautiful but fragile planet. Please check out our website and our YouTube channel, where you will find many more details about how to create the future that we know we all want. If you believe in our cause, help spread the word and subscribe to both channels to receive regular updates and information about our ongoing activities. Better still, get involved and help contribute to a better future for all. Thank you for your attention.